Hello, welcome back to Brassic Classics. We're back on the T4. It's now a week later. Brian's back with me.
Hello.
There's Brian. So, Brian, we just started the van and we have a slight fuel leak. Explain what that is.
It's the bushes in the throttle spindle.
It's bushes in the throttle spindle.
Usually go after a while, old age, being stood left dry, so they wear out, they crack up and...
So basically we're going to order a rebuild kit for that. That's
Yep.
going to get done next week, and we're also going to do the cam belt, because why not?
Well, why not? If you're going to use the vehicle, you need it done. You don't want it snapping and destroying your engine, because it's
Because
a
it's
mess.
relatively low mileage engine. These things are quite bulletproof, so it's worth doing, and it's pretty easy. So now what we're going to do today is have a look at these brakes. I'm going to bring you in to have a look at those. Okay, so this is driver's side front. As I said, it's been sat for 4 years, so the surface rust is to be expected. What we're going to try and do is loosen off the calipers, pull the pistons back, and just check that everything moves freely. And we might be able to, obviously, once this is running, drive it and just get all that surface rust off, but we shall see. But it's a good start, Brian. Got the wheel off.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
We know the van rolls okay.
It does roll, which is nice. And the engine did run quite nicely. Now we've got Jubilee clips on the fuel lines, so it's not pulling any air in, and we've also got primer pump, always useful. So yeah, we're getting there. Okay, so now we're going to see if this caliper is free. Brian's going to put a pry bar in and just see if we have a movement.
Oh, shies up.
How's that, Brian?
Stiff, but moving. Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
it's all sliding. It's all working.
So, success, it's not seized. Happy days. Okay, we're going to see what condition these pads are in and what everything underneath looks like.
Oh. Spiders.
Oh, pads look alright, don't they?
Yep.
Virtually new.
You've got a few miles left on them.
Yeah, alright.
They'll do okay for bed. Well, for a
Plenty of
while.
meat on them, that.
Yeah, plenty of meat.
They'll do us. They were like new. By my standards, they're like new.
A little bit of a lip on the disc, but
But not as bad as my A6. That's salvageable. Pulleys down there. It doesn't look too bad. Something's been sat this long.
no, it looks in better condition than mine.
Quite happy, really. Okay, so while Brian cracks on with the brakes, I'm going to take on clearing the back of the van out, which is full of electrician's equipment and bits and bobs from the last... They've all been in like 5 years, so it's all knackered. I've already taken out a set of golf wheels, which are there. So if anyone wants a set of golf wheels with decent tyres, contact me. I've also got another side door, which is there. And yeah, let's see what we can make this look like when it's all cleaned out. Okay, so we're now about 3 hours in. The front brakes are good. We've put injector cleaner straight into the fuel pump. Hopefully that will sort out the sticking fuel pump. If not, got a rebuild kit, so it's not a massive deal. What else have we done? I've changed the front headlight for one that's not cracked. And we're going to move on to the back brakes, and then hopefully in half an hour or so the fuel pump might have unseized itself. That will be good. And just cleaning off the brakes. That is smoke. Yeah, I don't worry about that. Brian, there's Brian. He's not worried. I'm slightly. I'm basically cleaning the brakes off while it's on axle stands. Health and safety, not really. I'm not going to open that window. We're not on fire. This is just me. I'll show you what we're doing.
And it's a new military vehicle. It's a new smoke screen. There.
I mean, I don't think the neighbours like us. Let them know Greenpeace. So there's a little bit of smoky, yeah. Okay, so that's it for day 2, week, whatever we're on. Me and Brian are slightly. So, would you say slightly damp?
Yeah, only slightly.
See, this is the advantage, right, of T4s with tailgates rather than barn doors. You can back them up and give yourself cover when you're working on the van. Or you could just like give up and just go home.
Yeah, well. But it was rumbling with thunder earlier.
It was. I've also done a little bit of paint restoration, we're calling this. So you can clearly see I've done the wing, I've done that bit of the door.
Quick, do the rest of it now while it's wet.
Well, yeah, because I've actually used radiator water, haven't I, to be fair.
Well, just normal water, yeah.
But yeah. So yeah, the T4 is getting the Brian update alert.
Right, it runs, but the pump is leaking. We have all the gears, as someone tested earlier.
Don't know what to do with them.
Yeah, I know, because the engine won't rev.
Well, it will, just can't stop it.
Yeah, true. We're going to swap out all the injectors to see if it's an injector leaking or
A stuck
piston ring.
piston ring, yeah.
Just see if we can cure the army smoke machine.
So we're going to basically take the injectors out, stick some hot oil into the bore.
Yep, hopefully fill out the piston ring. And we were going to do the rear brakes, but...
Who needs rear brakes?
As you can tell, we got a bit wet.
And we decided that actually, I mean, front brakes are where it's at for me. It's all about front brakes, isn't it?
I don't know, I don't use any.
Don't use any.
What brakes?
What brakes? So yeah, this is the van. This is what we're on, episode 3, but we've been here a couple of days. So we have front brakes. We have an improvement in the paint. I'm going to get a little bit of G3 and give that a proper buff, and just see how the paint comes up.
Oh, don't forget you tidied the rear out as well.
Oh, let's not forget that.
And you got the sliding door working.
And I've got the sliding door working. It's not the same colour yet, but it's working.
Close enough, it works.
It does. So again, if anyone wants any Golf alloys with reasonably good tyres, let me know, because I don't need them. And yeah, right, it's goodbye for me and Brian for this week. That's Brian.
Yeah, that's me.
This is Brassic Classics. If you enjoyed the video, do subscribe. There's lots of other Volkswagen stuff, T25 and lots of other random cars. This is the T4. Can you get one for no money, get it running, and how much would it cost you to do that? So far we're up to probably, I don't know, maybe like 450 quid-ish. But I have got to get a cam belt kit, haven't I?
Yeah.
Get a cam belt kit, because why not? We'll
All
get
the other belts. Give it
all
the
the other
service.
belts, full service, cam belt, boom. And then it'd be a running, driving, nice van. But how much will that cost? And the MOT, by the way, is booked for next Thursday.
Yippee!
No pressure.
No pressure on me.
No pressure. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is Brassic Classics. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.